Today we'll show you lowest common multiples.
So lowest common multiples is the lowest multiple in all of the numbers. So multiples are a number in a times table. For example, 64 is a multiple of 8 because 64 is in the 8 times table, because count like this: 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. So you can find that 64 in the 8 times table. That is a multiple meaning. But lowest common multiples is all three numbers that share the same multiple but which is the lowest. So we are going to show you an example like always. Just let that silly glitch go. We don't want that calibration. So some people misunderstand what is a lowest common multiple, so we'll show you what is it in an example. So I've changed it, not 7, 4 and 2. It is what is the lowest common multiple of 4, 8 and 12 then. So we can also put as the abbreviation LCM. If you work out the LCM of 8 and 9, it will be 72. Do you know why? It looks like multiplying, but no, it's not multiplying. Because sometimes this does not work like multiplying too. So let's try a multiple now. 36. So 36 can be a multiple of 4 and 12, but not 8. Because 36 is not in the 8 times table. So 36 is not a multiple of 8, and it is not going to be the lowest common multiple. So let's erase that off. So what about multiplying them up together, because we found the LCM of 8 and 9, which is 72, which is similar to multiplying it. Let's try. So let's separate them. What is 12 times 4? We know it's 48. Let's write that down. So we'll do the method answer: 48 times 8. The answer is 384, so let's write that down. So true or false? 384 is the lowest common multiple, the LCM of 12, 4 and 8. Right? Nope, false. Because 384 is much bigger than the LCM. So that is why there is a little trick that multiplying does not always work. So let's try 52. It only comes as a multiple of 4, so we are not going to put 52 then. So let's try 60. It goes into 4 and 12 again, but not 8. So now we are going to see if 72 is. So let's check it up. So 72 occurs in the 12 times table and the 4 times table. But is it a multiple of 8? Let's go and check it up. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Yes, 72 occurs. So it's going to be 72 is the LCM of 4, 8 and 12. Let's go and check it up. 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 16, 24, 24. Oh! I suppose that 72 is not the LCM of 4, 8 and 12. Do you know why? Because of this. So these are the multiples of 4, 8 and 12. So 48 is a multiple of 8 and 12, but it is also a multiple of 4. You can't see it anyway, but if you go further into steps, then you will see that multiple 48. But another number is smaller than that, which occurs in all of them. And it is... So nope, let's go and cross out 4. It does not occur in any of the other sets. 8 occurs in the multiples of 4 and 8, but not 12. So we are also going to cross the multiples which also contain 8. So 12 occurs in the 4 and 12 times table, not 8. We're going to cross the multiples which are containing 12 then 2. 16 occurs in 4 and 8, not 12. Let's cross 16 then. 20 doesn't even occur anywhere, except 4, so let's cross 20 out. So 24 is next in all of the sets and it occurs everywhere. But the other multiples that were lower than that were all crossed. And 24 occurs everywhere after the crossed numbers. So we count 24 to be the lowest common multiple. So it is not 72 then after all. It is 24, the real answer. I didn't see it, I realized it. You know. So we have done the example and it took over more than 5 minutes. So I suppose we have to wave goodbye. So wave goodbye. Goodbye.